The very first real-world load test of the next-generation P-19C aircraft rescue and firefighting fire trucks into a C-130 aircraft is a hold-your-breath kind of moment.
When you see an aircraft from a distance and you see the truck, you're kind of like, well, I don't know if that's going to fit.
Especially for Air Force Civil Engineer Center Fire and Emergency Services Fire Truck Program Manager Fred Tarrin, who's been leading this $29 million fleet replenishment mission from start to finish for the past 4 years.
You have to meet a certain requirement, dimensions, length, width, and height inside that aircraft. We give that onto the manufacturers for the build of this truck.
This is the first re-engineered design and production for these trucks in nearly 4 decades.
It's replacing the original 1980s model.
These air-transportable aircraft rescue and firefighting, or ARFF, fire trucks can be delivered anywhere in the world if they fit. So this load test, both backward and forward at the Savannah, Georgia Air National Guard Base, verified a successful mission.
We took it real nice and easy and slow, and it fit on the aircraft just like a glove on a hand.
The prototype desert deployable fire truck. We loaded it, didn't have any hiccups. The mirrors we were told were going to be taken off, and we actually were able to load it with them on, so it's definitely a plus for downrange, for easy offload.
They have to have gallonage on the ground for aircraft to land. So much water to put out if it was on fire. So that's why they have to bring these fire trucks in. These trucks here, they carry 1,000 gallons, and once they got the gallonage on the ground, then other aircrafts can start landing and doing air operations. This truck can go on a C-17 and a C-5, but the C-130 is the aircraft of choice in theater over there. They can land that plane on many different surfaces and just offload this truck.
This mission is just one of several ways that the Air Force Installation and Mission Support Center's Air Force Civil Engineer Center is delivering robust combat support to enhance warfighter readiness and lethality.
We got something that's coming to get that warfighter what they need to do their mission.
For the Air Force Installation and Mission Support Center,
I look at this as history. History was made today in the Air Force, and that's a good thing.
I'm Brian Goddin.